SMX KITS is our premier learning management system, purpose-built for mission-driven training. Other learning management systems are built with rigid course structures, slow setups, and limited operational flexibility, which leads to instructor struggles. SMX KITS provides students with a customizable and easy-to-navigate dashboard to make learning easier. The student dashboard provides a centralized command center where students can monitor their coursework, communicate with instructors, and manage assignments, practicals, and quizzes. Within the dashboard, you are provided with a customizable interface which allows you to quickly access important site links and visualize tasks and assignments. Quickly communicate directly with instructors with a direct messaging system and view any notifications from instructors and monitor upcoming training. Switch seamlessly between your courses and check to see your current class schedule. The Content Hub is the student's one-stop shop for all course material from the instructors. Receive training using PowerPoints, video, or custom content from instructors. Sync instruction with instructors in real time, allowing you to view freely or be tied to what your instructor is presenting. Local note-taking tied to your account allows for quick references whenever the student needs it. Because of the customizability of template creation, the Content Hub supports both instructor-led or self-paced learning. Once instruction is complete, all course material is accessible in the Content Hub. Easily view your progress throughout the course in the Progress tab, with a fully customizable grading criteria set by the instructors and based on your organization or course. The Grading tab helps visualize where your strengths and weaknesses lie throughout the course and supports objective and performance-based evaluation. Our real-world scenario section is where instruction and learning meet hands-on training through fully customizable, realistic scenarios. Integrate existing operational tools and software, including third-party tools that you already use daily, into your training regimen. This allows instructors and students to train how they fight, eliminating extra training time for familiarity with tool sets and third-party applications. Scenarios are custom-made and tailored to your training plan, with the ability to submit coursework and assignments straight from the page, directly to the instructors. The Assignment tab provides a centralized area for all assignments for the course. New assignments will immediately notify the student and give the ability for students to see all past work and provide feedback directly to the instructors. Training modules help put instruction into action and reinforce learning through a variety of customizable applications. Keyboard training and practical exercises help build real-world proficiency and are fully customizable to fit the student's needs. Transform knowledge into skill through guided and self-guided practical application and allow students to practice and apply concepts in real time, strengthening retention and operational readiness. The KITS Advantage. SMX KITS delivers a highly immersive, hands-on learning experience that allows students to train using the same tools, data, and scenarios they will encounter in real-world operations. Instead of passive instruction, students actively engage in realistic missions that build critical thinking, analytical skills, and decision-making under pressure. The platform provides immediate feedback and objective performance evaluation, helping students understand not just what they got wrong, but how to improve. By simulating real operational environments and workflows, SMX KITS better prepares students to transition from training to mission execution with confidence and competence. SMX KITS, Adaptable Training, Operational Readiness.